Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, if you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So welcome to another weekly vlog. Today is actually Wednesday. We're starting a weekly vlog today on Wednesday. This is gonna be a lot of like up and down in this vlog. Everybody getting ready for Jamaica, but right now we are heading to the right now we're heading to the Jamaican store. We're about to go buy some fish. Sweets made me some fish last week, and I'm gonna ask him to make. I asked him to make me it again because chef's kiss. It was delicioso. So we're about to go pick up some fish, and Kai has a doctor's appointment, so we'll probably just go straight there after. I don't know if it's gonna take us the whole time, but Kai has his four-month checkup. Y'all, can y'all believe Kai's 4 months? Like, where is time going? And he might get a shot today, so I need to give him some Panadol before he goes. Last time he got shots, he came on, he was knocked out. I wouldn't mind if that happened this time. As long as he's okay, he could sleep, child. But last time he had like, how many did he get, babe? Like 3, 4? 3 shots and one of the things in his mouth, right? Yeah. So I don't know if he's gonna get shot today. The doctor didn't tell me or anything like that, but I'm just assuming, so I don't know. But yeah, we're about to go on the road and see where this vlog takes us today. I got the same wig on from last vlog. I just threw it in like a little ponytail. It's lifted on the sides, but we move. I noticed that's my new thing now. Every time I edit, I'm all like, we move, but you know, that's the type time I'm on. We're moving. Sweet told me that I look like I'm losing weight, so we're in a good mood today, period. Hi. Come tell your aunties and your uncles hello. Say hey, guys. Say hey. You want it? Hold it. Hold it. Yeah. My camera is so crooked. Sweet's father, say hi. You must Sweet's father. Kai's father. Kai daddy.
Hey, baby.
Yo, fool. Oh man. Alright, so yeah. I give my money. How much money is this?
100,000.
100 million. So why, babe? Why your money them stay so? A 20 line of the meager, the $10 them all over. I like to organize my money. Like, yeah, look on this. The $20, $10, $5, no, my life will go in now. Are y'all ascending order or descending order? Like, my biggest money, I put it on top. So, what's that? Descending.
So you don't know?
Wow, but like, so when we are count, it just flows and the head them have to turn the right way. I'm very particular. Let me know if y'all are like that.
Look,
because
I'm pretty sure all of them are there.
No, you see me just turn on one.
Yes, I turn everything. Are you
no, I'm just turn on one $10. Everything else was the same.
Are you here?
No. Alright, let's see.
This is it. $100
million.
Be $1.
Woo! Alright, let's go. Cause we're really not in a rush because I'd rather just go there and go to Kai's appointment. Yeah, the dollar they forget in Kai saving pan.
No,
a long time I put a dollar in Kai saving pan, you know?
No dollar pan.
Me either. 20s, you're both like at the dollar pan that. I wonder how much money in a dollar something there. Should I go cash you out in a day, you know? And the coins, about $100 coins, and that's something there. Nobody me try to film myself the bumper. When these get so heavy, I buy this bag from Shein, cause I always got these tiny purses. Like most of my purses are this size. When I shop at Shein, I shop at Shein. Sweet time I shop at Shein. But sell ya tell control the machine clothes. Anyway, my bags are this size, so I wanted like a bigger bag just to like dump stuff in it, like when I'm on the road, like my camera can fit in here. I'm getting the habit of flying my drone, so my drone can go in here and stuff. So yeah, it's all right. I just don't like the smell. I had to spray some of my perfume on it, and just to just look cheap and stuff. But Shein, what I expect, can't expect Chanel from Shein, right? So guys, forgot to bring y'all into the Jamaican store, but we weren't in there for long. We got some snapper fish. Y'all love, you excited? No, you go straight and make it left. Yeah. Then anyway, and I got a big foot. Sweet's got the same one because I'm full of fashion. And I got what my drinks. Yeah, look for your mother. Look at the smile. Do it again. Smile for me again. You know, smile again. All right. Let me sleep with my drinks. Oh, a tropical rhythm. Sweets follow me again. This time though, him get mango carrot instead of fruit punch. And I got a little preview because if you know, you know. I'm camp. If you know, you know. When I'm in Jamaica, Demare and bag juice. Talk to me nice. Demare and bag juice. So I got one of these. A 50 pound bag juice now? No man, I did a 50. Oh no, but the thing is, my always bad. Oh, I wonder if Kim can buy one bag of big juice for me till I come down.
How much rum cream?
How much rum cream? About 400?
A party?
500? Bolly? Who believe ya?
I see.
How much rum Magnum?
Rum cream, I'm going to say the price.
700. I remember a Magnum was $400 a party and $380 at supermarket.
$350 a party and $200.
What? Well, me still go drink my Magnum. Nah, ask Christ.
So we're in the workout. It's kind of. It is.
Man, that's not for me.
Papa? So
I'm about to give Kai 3 shots. I thought it was just 1.
And she afraid.
And a sweet told me last time, and he must have me for willing this time. I can't do it.
Gotta be brave. Gotta
no,
be
for
brave.
Babe, do you know?
Papa? They don't even know how I come to you.
When you ball out, me now go. Babe, please.
Yeah, after it. Me? Rich. It's Alright guys, kinda you know funny but how do you feel?
Guys, my ball. I thought he was getting 1 shot. He got 3. And he cried. And I cried. But you feel like mother just slap over the nerves. At my fear, I don't know how people do them.
Papa not gonna feel.
I'm done. I'm cut up for the next. I don't know. So I'll come back when I'm. I don't know. Poor baby. Just show them in boo boo. We got 2 and 1.
Straight to sleep. Poor Papa.
I'm sleep now. The last time he sleep.
Oh, nobody.
Chef. Come, chef. Chef. Guys, this is my plate. Sweets, hook me up properly. I'm gonna devour this. Chef. I answer to chef. Chef, me say. Chef. We can play back a chef, me say. Chef, me say. We have put it one day. Let me say. Anyway, guys, but just come for sure now. Play. I'm gonna eat. I don't feel well. I don't know. Like I feel a lot of pressure, like up here. My head isn't hurting. It's just a lot of pressure right here. So I don't know what's going on. But maybe because I haven't eaten. The only thing I had was that big foot. Half of my big foot because I gave it to Sweets. And I ate the red cheese chips and drink some of the tropical rhythm and I have some left. So I'm gonna eat this. Oh, we should do a taste test. Boy, Me I get my fucking we take you out for a bus. I roll up my utensils like I'm at a restaurant. Thank you. So I got a lot of pumpkin because I love pumpkin. See, I turn up a weapon. Alright. Pumpkin, 10 out of 10. I have 20 out of 10. This is potato, Irish. Good, amazing.
That's it.
I don't want to that shit. I come with that ball. Corn. And the juice in that corn. No, the for fish. The peanuts on my gravy. You can't go to a restaurant and cook beer fish. Wow. I have to start sell plate. Band it off. Hi. They're pricey. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna eat. And I eat. Alright, I'm gonna eat. You eat when my food done, so I'm gonna watch that eat. It's still too bad, but anyway, me I eat. So I'll catch y'all later. Hey y'all, what's up? So it's the next day. Today's Thursday. It is about, it's 5:40 right now. I am just about to leave out to get started running some errands and stuff. It's me and Kaya today again. So I probably won't be vlogging as much on the road. I had to throw this headband on because I took my wig off last night and I don't feel like, I don't have time to like lay my edges, do all that. So headband it is. So yeah, and I just put it back in another, I wetted a little bit so it's drying, so it's gonna poof up. But Kai and we're about to go on the road. I have a couple stops to make, just like all over the place. So I want to go get that done because we're leaving in a few days and it's gonna be hectic. I don't want to leave everything to the last minute. So if I have time to do what I can, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Everybody's at work. The only thing is I have to go to Sweet's job to get the base. I have to go to Sweet's job to get the baby stroller because he forgot. He took out the car seat and everything, but he forgot to give me the stroller part of the car seat. So I have to go grab that. It's kind of hectic. I'm really thinking about not going, but some of the places where I'm going, they don't have carts for me to like put Kai on top, and I'm low-key scared of putting him on the carts anyway because he almost slid from me one time. So scarred for life. Y'all already know how it is with Kai on the road, so I'm not gonna get to vlog as much as I would like. I'm gonna try to do my best though, but no promises. If y'all get a montage, y'all get one. If not, I'll see y'all when I come back and I'll try to show y'all like a haul. That's what I might actually do. I'll just go, and Kai's getting fussy, so I gotta go, y'all. But I just, like I said, I just wanted to come and give y'all an update. What? Oh, and I'm sorry about the lighting, y'all. And speaking of update, Kai got a fever, y'all, from the injection that he got yesterday. He was so warm this morning. His temperature was like 99.5. So he is not feeling his best today. He's not crying or anything. He's just like, you know, sad looking, and that makes me a little sad. So we've been doing that all morning. So he just woke up from his regular usual nap and stuff. So I'm about to prep him, put him in a car seat and stuff. I already fed him, changed him, everything. So on the road we go. Are y'all ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. Ready? You don't know nothing about no SpongeBob. All you know is Coco Melon and Miss Rachel, right? Yeah. All right, let's go. I can't believe this is my life. Y'all listen to this. This is my life now. No more music unless I'm traveling by myself.